So, hello. In this video, I will discuss how to fix the error in upscale. So sometimes you upscale here and you will receive error. So I will show you what I did to fix the error. So this one is NVIDIA graphics. So here NVIDIA settings control panel. This is the setting I have here, the global settings, program settings. So for 3D I have here the high performance NVIDIA processor, program settings. So in the upscale you can select here upscale. You can browse, you can add and browse the upscale. Then select I select here high performance NVIDIA processor also. So this is my setting in NVIDIA control panel. Then go to your start menu, then type advanced. This view advanced. So once you are here, advanced, environment variables. Okay, from here you need to click system variables, new, and you need to type the variable name and variable value. This is the one that I type here. This is variable name and this is the value, so I put 1. I put here 1 because before it's not here, so I need to add this one. So from here, okay. After you add the system properties, after that here in the settings, so before here there's I think 0, so just I remove what is type here, so it will become automatic. It will detect the GPU ID. After that it fixes the error in I can use this one now, especially for AI images if you want to resize. That's how to fix your error here, upscale. It's open source for upscaling. So bye bye.